Dawn breaks over a silent battlefield. Mist hangs low above the ground, barely revealing two forces standing opposite each other. On one side, the Winged Hussars, elite cavalry of the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth, armored in steel, mounted on powerful war horses, their long lances steady, their presence unshaken. They do not rush, they wait, because they understand something most soldiers never will. Timing is everything. Across the field stand their rivals, the German Landsknechts, mercenaries, veterans of countless wars, men who have fought, survived, and been paid to do it again. They do not rely on speed, they rely on discipline, row after row. They form a wall of pikes, long, unforgiving weapons, designed for one purpose: to stop cavalry, no matter the cost. Their formation is tight, precise, measured, a forest of steel pointing forward, no gaps, no weakness. This is not chaos, this is control, and both sides know exactly what the other is capable of. The wind moves first. It passes through feathers, through banners, through the tips of pikes. Still, no one moves. Because in this moment, whoever makes the first mistake will not survive it. Then, the hussars shift. Not a charge, not yet. Just a movement, small, controlled. Their lances begin to lower, slowly, deliberately. The horses step forward, one line, then another. The ground remains quiet, but something changes. The air tightens. The distance between them begins to close. The Landsknechts do not move. They hold their formation, pikes forward, locked in place. They have trained for this moment. They trust the wall. They trust each other. The hussars continue forward, faster now. The rhythm builds, hooves striking earth in unison, breath visible in the cold air, steel catching the light of the rising sun. This is no longer movement, this is momentum, and momentum is power. Closer, closer. The distance shrinks to seconds. The world narrows. No sound except the thunder of hooves. No thought except the strike. And then, impact. But not chaos, not panic. Precision. The lances reach forward, longer than the pikes, striking before the wall fully answers. The formation bends, not broken, but tested. The Landsknechts push back, pikes pressing forward, steel against steel, force against resistance. For a moment, the battle stands perfectly balanced, neither side yielding, neither side collapsing, because this was never about strength alone. It was about discipline, timing, control, and the smallest advantage in a single instant. History remembers victories, but moments like this are where they are decided.